Hey guys, I'm Megan Roberts, the outdoor programmer for the City of Chesapeake for Parks, Rec, and Tourism, and today we're going to do a little science experiment and create our own lava lamp. So what I have to do that is some red food coloring, a cup of water, and some vegetable oil, and then you're also going to need an Alka-Selzer tablet. So we're going to talk about mixtures and solutions. So a solution is formed when a substance is dissolved into another substance and it can't be taken out. So what happens when you add food coloring to water? So the food coloring mixed with the water and it can't be filtered out later on. So that is a solution. So a mixture is a combination of two substances where the two substances keep their form. So what happens when we mix vegetable oil with water? So vegetable oil and water cannot be mixed together. They will stay separated. So that is a mixture, is when the two characteristics and properties of each are kept. So you had the water and food coloring mixed together, but the water and the vegetable oil cannot be mixed together. So now to make our lava lamp, we are going to take our Alka-Selzer tablet and we are going to throw it in the cup. And so this is going to make a lava lamp because the Alka-Selzer tablet is creating bubbles, which is forcing the water to go through the vegetable oil, but they can't be mixed, right? So you get a lava lamp. Go. Pretty cool, right? So feel free to leave your comments and photos of your own personal lava lamps. We always love to see those. And feel free to use different colors for the food colorings. They all look really cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.